Hey guys, it's Simon and welcome back to the last part of the RPG tutorial that I was making. So the game, at least the tutorial is not out there. That will come now within this month, so in June. Someone gave the feedback that I should release like one video per week because releasing too much videos at a time is not ideal. It's maybe too much for some people, so I will listen to that and I will aim for a video per week, but most likely, especially at the beginning, it will be 2 videos per week because for example, the initial game setup and everything is, I think, not that difficult and quite easy to set up, so we don't need to wait for the basic stuff for multiple weeks. For the complicated stuff there, I think it makes sense to maybe just have one long video per week, then you can digest that, play around a little bit, and let that sink in, all this information that you will gather from this awesome tutorial series. And yeah, so in this video I want to show you just the final outcome of the game, which now has background music. Maybe you remember it from Mystic Garden, it was actually the first game that I finished completely, which was uploaded to a Play Store and had everything in it. I never finished a game before completely, so that was the first one. So music, also sound effects got added. The damage system is now available with some floating numbers that you can see, so that you see what kind of damage you got and what kind of damage you dealt to the little slimes. They die, they play a death sound. And the final part, so the chests, when you hit them, they will now open up. So they don't have a loot in it, but the loot system in the background would be available, so you could do whatever you want to do with that. And yeah, so that's it. I never showed that, but you can also die. So let those slimes kill me. Yeah, then the hero falls down and after a few seconds he gets resurrected. Okay, and then you can move around. So this will be the small RPG that we are going to develop. So the player cannot die, he can kill the slimes can attack, he can interact with chests, and there's of course collision and everything available. Okay, yeah, that would be it. I just wanted to show the final result here, what we are going to develop. I also upgraded the Flex version to 1.3, so the entity component system. There were some bug fixes in it and also some new functionality which was added and requested by people on GitHub, which made one of the things that we are going to develop in this game a little bit easier, in my opinion. Yeah, that's available. So I will add the link in the video description below, and you can find that again on my GitHub page under, I don't know, Mystic Boots. Yeah, here you can find it. So there's a small readme, how you control it, how you attack, and what is the purpose of it. And the link to the YouTube tutorial series will be updated once it is available. That's it, guys. Have a nice Sunday, and bye-bye.